The data science process, as you can see, starts with the hypothesis development canvas. This looks surprisingly a lot like the design thinking process. Rapid exploration, rapid trying and testing, failure, learn, wrap over and over again. Now, there's a couple of key points here. Number one, the business stakeholders are involved throughout this process. They're not involved in step one, then they disappear. No, they're involved throughout this process, right? We want to prototype and test and do story maps. We want to help the customer make sure we're solving the right problem and we're providing the right information they need in order to make the right decisions. There's also a very important reason why you have to involve users here. And that has to do with the understanding and codifying the costs of the false positives and false negatives. You don't know as a data scientist if your model is good enough if you don't know the costs of being wrong. And by the way, a lot of AI bias we're seeing today, and a lot of the models that are operating across social media, across loans, across school admissions, fail because they've not done a thorough job of codifying and understanding the costs associated with the false positive and false negative. That sounds very, very nerdy, but the data scientists don't define those costs. It must be defined by the business stakeholders so that they can articulate what is the cost of the AI model making a wrong recommendation.